Hello everyone, my name is Aarohi and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to start with a new playlist, Python for data science. And if you want to start your journey in AI and data science, but you feel confused about where to begin, then this playlist is for you. So this is a beginner level playlist, means you don't need any prior knowledge. We will start from scratch. I will teach you everything step by step practically. And this is not just a Python playlist. This playlist will teach you Python specifically for data science. Means we will cover only those topics in Python which are actually required for AI and data science. And we are going to cover topics like data types, variables, list, tuple, dictionaries. Then we will learn about conditional statements, loops. Then we will see what are functions, how to create them, how to use them. Then we will learn about modules. So once our foundation is strong, we will move to the important libraries like NumPy, pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So guys, right now, don't worry about the working of these libraries. Just understand that these are very important for data science and AI, and we will cover them in this playlist later. Now, before we even start learning Python, one important question is why Python? Why not some other programming language? So, guys, in 2026, generative AI is everywhere. So, till last year, people used to say that AI is the future, right? But if we talk about this year, we can say that AI is the present, and AI is getting used everywhere. And if you look at the companies like OpenAI, Hugging Face, and Google, so you will notice that whenever they release any new model, the first thing they provide is a Python implementation. Means that whenever any new model or AI tool is launched, the first official support is usually in Python. So that's why we are learning Python. That's why we need to learn Python, because Python is not optional, Python is foundation. And if you want to go in the field of AI and data science, you should know the basic Python. That's why we are learning Python before starting AI and data science. And guys, by the end of this playlist, you will be able to work with Python, you will be able to handle real data sets, you can clean data, you can analyze it. And after this playlist, you will be ready to learn machine learning. So that's what this playlist is about. And in my next video, I'll show you how to work with Python. I'll show you how to install Python first and then how to use it. And that's it for today. And guys, if you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.